So, just trying this out again. This is just a random update video. I'm currently just set up to be folding at home over the last couple of days. Yeah, so wrong way, whoops. I've set the computer up to fold for me, which is handy. And I've turned the active face tracking off because it's rather frustrating, and I can just track myself. So if it's a little bit jumpy, I apologise. Now it's centered on me. Now let's just check what I'm doing. So here we are. This is what I've got set up. I feel like mission control because I've got all the different tabs open. I've got the internet running the track there. I've got the actual program running, and then that is the international effort for the folding at home for COVID-19, and I've generated quite a few points. As you can probably see there, I'm generating 40,000 points a day, and I've put 500 points towards TeamIMNC, and they've got a total of 118,018,531 so far. And just so you can see, the team number is 261121. If you want to get onto this, look up folding at home and sign yourself up. If you've got a spare PC, the efforts are greatly appreciated. This wasn't intended to be a folding at home video, but it's turning into that. So yeah, I would just say currently mine's having a moment of updating itself, but the effort is still going, and I'm just starting this up each day and leaving my PC on and then turning it off at night once it's done the job. I mean, I could leave it on all the time, but I'm not that confident. But, the little things we can do.